All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mike Melby, and this is Ray Tamblin, and we are the co-founders of PayDivvy, the first and only social bill pay solution for individuals and groups. We all know that paying bills is a pain. The status quo is that bill pay is fragmented. People are still paying their bills across a half dozen sites, often resulting in confusion and even late fees. Now, if you're managing finances with a group, like roommates, friends, families, coworkers, the situation is even more complex. Well, PayDivvy offers a simple social way to pay, send, and share bills all in one place for free. So let's take a look. At the end of the day, we think that PayDivvy offers what every bill pay solution should but doesn't. Here you're looking at our dashboard, which is the launch pad for everything in PayDivvy. Up to the upper left, you can see Ray's account summary, showing how much he's owed and how much he owes to others, whether it be businesses or friends. Just below that is his list of bills, or divvies as we like to call them. And below that is the list of groups that he's a part of. Back up to the top is the list of his divvy requests. That could be e-bills that have come in from a provider or people asking him to take a share of a bill. Just below that are his social requests if somebody asks him to join a group or has asked him to share activity. And lastly is his notification stream showing his recent activity on the site as well as that of his friends. From the dashboard, you can execute all the core features within PayDivvy. You can pay a bill with a click. You can decline a bill with a click. But we're going to look at creating a bill. Specifically, we're going to focus today on our patent-pending group bill pay solution. So to start that off, Ray is going to create a group. Now, creating a group expedites the bill setup process. It also centralizes communication for the group, as well as centralizes the document management, the bill management for the group going forward. So Ray named the group, added members to the group, and voila, now we can go about setting a divvy. So Ray is going to set up the electric bill today for us, for our group of roommates. He's going to do so in similar fashion as you would do with your online banking bill pay. He's going to search for the provider, find it in our system. He's going to enter his credentials, and PayDivvy has all the tools you would expect in a bill pay solution. You can view and organize all your e-bills online. You can pay over 5,000 service providers with credit card or bank account, and you can set it and forget it with our on-time payment guarantee. But it's the social layer that really enhances the bill pay process via the communication features we have that are unique, as well as the ability to pay a bill as a group. So PayDivvy allows you to actually divide the bill and only pay your fair share from here on out. So you can see here, Ray's set up the initial part of the bill, but now he's going to add our roommate group. It'll populate the members of the group, and Ray can set the share by moving the sliders. If one roommate has a larger room, maybe you want him to pay 40% of the electric bill and the rest each pay 30%. In this case, we're going to keep it simple and stick with a 33.3% split. So now when that e-bill comes in through PayDivvy's system every month, PayDivvy will see the bill say $100. It'll look at what the percentages are supposed to be, make the calculation, charge each roommate $33.33, aggregate the $100, and send it to the provider directly. So there's no more spreadsheets, no more keeping track, no more worrying about it, no more social friction, no more fighting. Let's look at when an e-bill comes in, what that looks like. So Ray has flipped to our Comcast bill, also for our roommate group. You can see the bill details here. You can see the due date, his share relative to the total amount of the bill, and he can go down to the bottom and see the members of the bill, our roommate group. And you can see here, Ray and I have already accepted the bill, but we have a deadbeat roommate, Omar, who is being lazy and decided it's not important apparently. So Ray's going to ping him, send him a reminder. He'll get an email notification, a dashboard notification, a light a fire under him. Ray can also make some sort of snide remark here on the communication wall and say, stop being a deadbeat, Omar. I can jump in and do the same, and add some social pressure and enhances the bill payment process. Additionally, we can view the actual e-bill here that comes in through the PayDivvy system. So if we can take a look at the Comcast PDF that's come through, we can scroll down, make sure that Omar hasn't snuck in any pay-per-view movies on us without telling us about it, or the NFL package. This one looks okay here, so we're going to close the case on this one. So that's good. We squared away some payments to our providers, but to us, a bill is a bill, whether it's from a business or an individual. And so this also works when paying or collecting from a friend, specifically for past or upcoming social expenses like travel or restaurant bills, membership dues for a club you may be a part of, group gifts for family and friends, etc. And then once the divvy is created, users have the ability to utilize our communication wall to organize activities and discuss the circumstances of a bill. On this one, you can see the banter that has ensued, some trash talking, but Ray's okay with the details of this bill, so he's going to go ahead, click one button, and pay the bill. To add a bit of social fun to the process, he can also share it through social media, let his friends know what he's up to. In addition, we will be offering various premium bill payment options, including unique ways to compare your bills and save money, extend your due dates, and even protect against deadbeat roommates. So that's PayDivvy, the simple social way to pay your bills. You can now enjoy the benefit of online bill pay with social payments through a one-stop solution and stop worrying about keeping track of your personal and interpersonal finances. Now, there are a handful of players out there doing a very good job at serving a part of the problem, but none that provide the necessary, fully integrated solution to serve this issue, and they actually exacerbate the fragmentation in bill payment. Because PayDivvy is the only social bill pay solution, we believe that it is the only complete bill pay solution. It's the only service on the web where you can easily manage personal and group bills all in one place, thereby making life a bit easier day to day and adding a bit of fun and social intelligence to an otherwise dreaded process. So to any potential partners out there, if you have interest in potentially leveraging our API or working on some sort of partnership with us, please reach out. We'd love to work on something. Likewise to investors, we closed a seed round a few months ago, but we'll be looking for capital at some point again. So if you have interest in our product and team, please reach out. And we've been in private beta for 6 months, and we are announcing our official public launch at this moment right now. So please visit paydivvy.com and give our product a try. Thank you so much.